and welcome to Design and Business Conversations for Creatives. I'm Cheyney and today I am here to teach you about bleed and crop marks. This is probably going to be my shortest video ever, but I had an epiphany that it's probably something that I should do because I get asked all the time and I always have to explain myself on what it is and what it means. Okay, so I've gone ahead and printed off a piece of paper with a design that I made for my Society 6 store. In the corner here, you will notice two little lines. Those are what are known as the crop marks. Crop marks simply indicate to the printer or the person trimming your artwork that that is where the artwork needs to be trimmed. Now the bleed refers to the artwork that hangs over what is going to be trimmed. So you will see here that when we trim it, I'm actually going to trim off some of the artwork. The reason for this is simple. When you're trimming, you want to leave some room for error. There might be a slight slip of a millimeter, so usually a bleed is about 3 millimeters over the artwork. And it just ensures that when the artwork is cropped, you don't end up with a white line from the white paper. I'm going to demonstrate how I would trim this, so stay tuned. So here I have my artwork on a trimming mat with a Stanley knife and a metal ruler. And as you can see, if I place my steel ruler onto these crop marks, the bleed will hang over the edge, and when I trim, there won't be any white line. The one thing you're going to want to be careful about when trimming is that you don't trim the crop marks off. So I'll show you what happens when you do that. If I took this entire thing off, I'm going to lose these two crop marks. Whereas if I just stay within the crop mark areas, it's going to all stay intact. And there you have a nice pattern that doesn't have any white edges. If you lop off the entire piece of paper, see how you've now lost your crop marks. So you want to be sure that when you're trimming, you're only trimming between the two crop marks. Thank you for watching. I hope this has been handy for you. If you want other design tips, be sure to subscribe to my channel using the button below. Hit the notifications bell to be notified of any new videos, and I will see you next time. Bye!